Hi guys! This is April Largo, Sales Executive here at Mitsubishi Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung nagbago sa ating Expander 2026. First, we have sound-insulated windshield. Dito naman ang ating engine, powered by a reliable 1.5-liter Maybach technology. Equipped na rin ng ABS o anti-lock braking system and EBD, electronic brake force distribution. Tipid sa gasolina at komportableng biyahe. Next is the updated front grille with a satin, chrome accent, and vertical slats na nagbibigay ng mas bruskong dating sa ating unit. Idagdag pa natin ang ating 360 camera for multi-around monitor. Nandito din ang ating LED fog lamp sa redesigned bumper na dumadagdag sa sporty and premium look. Dito naman ang ating DRL at headlights, naka-LED pa rin for better visibility at syempre for battery efficiency. And then we have 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels na nagbibigay ng sporty look sa kalsada. Then guys, yung ating door handle ay naka-body color na din and equipped pa rin ng keyless operating system o KOS. Dito naman sa ating driver side guys, we have 3-spoke leather wrap na equipped na rin ng multimedia controls and cruise control buttons. And ang kinagandahan pa dito guys, we have 8-inch multi-information display and also we have here 10 inches Smart Link display audio, equipped na ng wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Guys, nandito naman ang ating electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. And guys, ang nadagdag pa sa ating safety features is yung active view control, na kung saan nagbibigay ito ng stability control sa mga sharp U-turns and slippery roads. For additional premium look guys, yung ating soft pads is naka-black with brown stitching na. Dito naman sa ating second row guys, additional adjustable headrest sa center ng second row. Mas komportable ang biyahe ng mga passengers. And lastly guys, yung ating seat material is black high fabric pa rin. Nagbago lang ang kanyang design. And guys, magkano nga ba ang presyo ng ating Expander 2026? Ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 1,259,000 and for as low as 8,000 all-in down payment ay pwede mo nang ma-achieve ang Mitsubishi Dream Car mo. Kaya kung interesado ka, i-message mo lang ako sa aking contact details. For more car reviews and promos, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Bye!